Alright, this is the Amishview Inn Suites in between Bird-in-Hand and Intercourse, Pennsylvania. And over here we have one of two elevators here to ride. This elevator right here is an Otis with Series 1 from 2003. Unfortunately it's got an annoying fan. Go up to 3. Euro 3. Back down to the lower level. Here at the lower level. Back up to 3, listen to the bar one more time. Here we're back at 3. Now and down the lower level, door closed button works. And here we're back at the lower level. So that was elevator number 1. I don't know if you can see it right now, but this thing has slight door diseases. There goes that elevator. Before I make the hunt to find the second elevator, let's take a look around down here real quick. Over here are the public restrooms. Point the camera down so there's people about to go into the pool area. Over here are the vending machines. You got a snack machine and a drink machine. Hand sanitizer dispenser. And in here is the fitness center. Got your weight stuff there, your dumbbells, and you also got 2 ellipticals and 2 treadmills. In here, I believe that's your guest laundry. And there's your man-powered elevator. And in here, this is the hotel's mini arcade. You got a stacker machine, a couple claw machines. Pretty typical for a hotel arcade. There's your change dispenser. And right in there is the hotel's pool and hot tub. Alright, now we're going to go find the second elevator. Alright, I'm now at the other building at the Amishview Inn. And here's the second elevator. And this one's a Schindler 330A from 2013. Basement's locked. 1. First floor. 5. And as we all know, Schindler 330A's door close does not work. Back down to 1. And here we're back at 1. I'm going to end it right down here. And there goes that elevator. And I guess those were 2 elevators here, the Amishview Inn, and I guess that will be it.